Henan Baixin Machinery Equipment Company Limited, established in 2017, is engaged in manufacturing different series of fruit and vegetable drying machines, washing machines, cutting machines, frying machines, quick freezers, packaging machines, and production lines. It is located in Baixin Village, Baixin Co-Town, Gongyi City, Zhengzhou, Henan Province. Henan Baixin Machinery Equipment Company Limited is a tech-intensive and high-tech enterprise with high growth, and the research investment is growing annually. Baixin is a trusted customized solution provider in the food industry, in line with the concept of creating greater value for customers. We work together with customers and partners to promote the continuous upgrading of the food industry. For the benefit of our customers, we Baixin people research and sell machines according to users' habits and preferences. We continuously improve our service levels, listen to our customers, and provide upgraded machines and solutions according to the market. Through constant efforts for several years, our factory has developed into a comprehensive company that integrates production and sales. Our products are also being exported abroad. It has provided nearly 3,000 companies in more than 90 countries and regions around the world, such as the United States, Canada, Spain, South Korea, Kazakhstan, Indonesia, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We are glad to work with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. We warmly welcome customers from domestically and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.